Do your feet feel like they're burning? Do your hands go numb for no reason? You might be suffering from nerve damage or neuropathy, a condition affecting millions. But what if food could actually help heal your nerves? In this video, we'll uncover 8 powerful foods that can repair nerve damage naturally. We'll explore their benefits, how to eat them, what to avoid, and the best time to eat each one. So stay tuned, because one of these foods might be sitting in your kitchen right now. Before we get started, I'd love to know where you're joining me from today. Drop a comment below and feel free to ask any questions you have. And if you're passionate about aging gracefully and staying healthy, naturally make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the strong wellness community. Your wellness journey starts here. Avocados, the nerve protector. First up, avocados. They're creamy, rich, and one of the best foods for healing nerves. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats, especially monounsaturated fat, which reduces inflammation, the root cause of nerve pain. They also contain vitamin B6, potassium, and magnesium, nutrients vital for nerve signaling. Eat avocados in the morning or at lunch. Avoid mixing with sugary foods or processed meats. Try avocado toast, guacamole, or even add them to smoothies. Just 1 avocado a day can go a long way in rebuilding nerve health. 2. Turmeric, the natural pain reliever. Next, the golden spice that's been used for thousands of years, turmeric. Its active compound curcumin is a natural anti-inflammatory that helps reduce nerve pain and improves blood flow to damaged areas. For best results, take turmeric with black pepper. It boosts absorption by 2,000%. Drink turmeric tea in the morning on an empty stomach. Avoid combining with dairy or cold drinks. They reduce its healing power. Golden milk, turmeric water, or adding it to warm soups is ideal. 3. Walnuts, the brain and nerve booster. Walnuts are more than just a brain-shaped snack. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and antioxidants. These compounds protect nerve cells and promote regeneration. Eat a handful of walnuts in the mid-morning or afternoon. Avoid salted, fried, or sugar-coated versions. You can enjoy walnuts raw or add them to oatmeal, salads, or homemade bars. 4. Spinach, the green healer. Dark leafy greens like spinach are healing powerhouses. They contain vitamins B9 and B12, magnesium, and iron, all essential for proper nerve function. Best eaten cooked at lunch or dinner to enhance absorption. Avoid combining with too much calcium like milk. It blocks iron. Use spinach in stir-fries, soups, or green smoothies. 5. Salmon, the omega-3 powerhouse. Let's talk about salmon, the king of anti-inflammatory foods. Salmon contains DHA and EPA, essential fatty acids that reduce nerve pain and help rebuild the myelin sheath, the protective layer around your nerves. Best eaten grilled or baked at lunch or early dinner. Avoid fried or processed versions like fish sticks. Pair with veggies or quinoa for a healing meal. Blueberries, the nerve antioxidant. Blueberries are small but mighty. They're loaded with antioxidants that protect nerves from free radical damage. They also boost memory, coordination, and nerve signaling. Eat them in the morning with oats or yogurt. Avoid sugary yogurts or cereals. Go natural. A handful of fresh or frozen blueberries daily is all you need. Sweet potatoes, the vitamin B bomb. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin B6 and B12, antioxidants, and fiber, all of which nourish and repair damaged nerves. Best eaten at dinner. It helps relax your nervous system. Avoid adding too much sugar or salt. Roast them, mash them, or mix into healthy dinner bowls. 8. Pumpkin seeds, the magnesium hero. Pumpkin seeds are tiny but powerful. They're full of magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats that reduce nerve pain, twitching, and improve muscle control. Snack on them in the evening or before bed. Avoid salted or flavored ones. Choose raw or dry roasted. They work great in salads, trail mixes, or just by the handful. Final recap and natural healing tips. Let's recap. To heal nerve damage naturally, your body needs healthy fats, B vitamins, magnesium, antioxidants. But here's what to avoid. Processed foods. sugar, alcohol, fried, and overly salty meals. Combine these foods with light exercise, quality sleep, and stress reduction for best results. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe to Strong Wellness for more powerful healing tips. Your journey to nerve healing starts with what's on your plate. Thank you for watching, and may your nerves stay strong and healthy.